Want to break into UX design in 2026, but don't know where to start? Today, we're looking at the UX Design Institute to see if it's the ultimate launchpad for your design career. If you visit uxdesigninstitute.com, you'll find a platform built to take you from absolute beginner to a certified professional. They offer globally recognized, industry-approved courses designed alongside real design leaders. Whether you want to start a brand new career or just upgrade your current skill set, they have a path for you. So what are the best features? First, they offer comprehensive professional diplomas in UX design and product design. If you want to specialize, they have certificate courses in UI design, designing for accessibility, user research, and content design. But what makes them highly relevant for 2026 is their focus on AI. They've rolled out brand new short courses like AI Fundamentals for UX, AI for User Research, and AI for Prototyping. Plus, they offer real mentor support and flexible payment plans to help you pace your learning. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, the curriculum is incredibly modern, focusing on high-demand skills like EU accessibility compliance and AI workflows. They also offer mentor support, which is crucial when you're learning online. On the flip side, we don't have independent student reviews configured in our data today, so we can't give you a breakdown of public student feedback. However, their website does showcase alumni working at major companies like Apple, Shopify, and Domino's. Our final opinion? If you want structured, certified, and future-proof UX training that includes AI skills, the UX Design Institute is definitely worth exploring. Head over to their website to check out their courses, read their blog, or book a call to speak with an advisor. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more career tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you're planning to learn UX this year. See you in the next video.